Breaking into tech is tough. Progressing in your career can be harder, and with constant layoffs, sometimes it just feels impossible. So how do we survive? How do we grow when everything feels so uncertain? I left London and moved to San Francisco, the dream city for tech. The moment I got here, reality hit me. Every week there's news of another round of layoffs. And if you're junior, it's brutal. Did I just arrive at the worst time possible? AI tools are everywhere, making it harder and harder to prove your worth. So the question became, how do you survive in an industry that feels stacked against you? For me, the answer wasn't grinding alone, it was community. Because community is the one thing AI can't replace. In SF and London, the community is just so strong. Back in London, I started to design community from scratch. It began small, word of mouth, whiteboard challenges, lightning talks, but soon people were finding jobs, getting mentorship, making friends. It wasn't just about design, it was about not feeling alone in a tough industry, landing people with the right skills to land the jobs they deserve. See, it's tempting to believe I got here all by myself, but if we're honest, none of us did. It was a referral that opened the door, a friend who checked in when you were ready to quit, a mentor who shared one piece of advice that changed everything. That's community, that's how we really progress. What I learned is this, you can have some of the best design talent and potential, but without people to support you, vouch for you and open doors for you, your growth will always be 10 times harder. That's why in London I co-founded Crescent Creatives in 2024. We ran portfolio reviews, interview preps and talks, and the impact was clear. Community gave people confidence, opportunities and resilience. In today's tech world, skills matter, but in a time of layoffs and AI disruption, there's still a community that holds you together and helps you push forward. Asking for help is a strength. Why don't you reach out to your local community or give back and donate your skills to the community? No matter how big or small, there's something you can teach the world.